What's up, YouTube? So today we got an unboxing from Aquarium Co-op, you can see right here. So let's get into it. I am recording this with one hand, so bear with me. Matter of fact, we'll be right back. Alright, and we're back. Finished opening up the box. Got the packaging. So I ordered some ICX. Ordered this. Open up in a little bit. 2 mini sponge filters for my hang on the back intake. This is the pH test kit, and some more meds because I'm setting up a quarantine tank. And I also picked up some of this stuff from PetSmart, and this is also from Aquarium Co. It's an LED light. I'll show you guys when I get this stuff all set up. So here's the tank with all the Aquarium Co-op products I bought. Here's that LED light all set up right here. And then we could see one of those little filters right on the back of the hang on back filter in the intake. There's my tiger barbs, just chilling. Trying to think, and then all those meds I got were for this tank, so I could start a quarantine tank. And so I have all these little zebra danios, a couple neon tetras, and some two panda cories down there. So I only did one round of dosings of meds on these guys, and I never noticed any problems. They seem fine, they look fine, so I think it worked all out alright.